Hi all, Planetside Agent here. Today we're going to take a look at a survival kit in a nutshell. Stay tuned. Okay, it's not really a serious first aid kit. I mean first aid. I don't keep saying that. Survival kit. I got this. It's a little walnut shell. Actually, the history behind this. I got this at a Christmas party gift swap game, and it's actually made by a little high school girl that was there. And actually, I thought it was quite cool, quite clever on her part. And I've had this. Oh, criminy! This thing's ancient, very ancient, probably well over 20 years old. So I just have it on my desk. I thought it was pretty novel. So let's take a look what's in it. So to start with, it's just a good sized walnut shell, and she put some silicone on the back to make a hinge. You open it up. Oops, keep you in frame here. And so let's kind of see what's in here. Now the trick will be we'll ever get it back in again. So we got looks like we got some food here. Looks like a bean. Oops, can't seem to keep you in frame. That's because I got the camera down pretty low to take advantage of this small thing. But looks like it's got a Cheerio and a bean and God, I don't know what else. Looks maybe another bean. I don't know. This might be a raisin. I don't know. Anyway, there's your food. So, and then here we got. Looks like there's a Band-Aid, and looks like some dental floss for whatever you need to quart. So far it's got the stuff you need in a survival kit. And here is, oops, if I can get this out. Okay, what we got here, there's a needle and some thread. And here's a Q-tip. Looks like she cut that down to fit in here. Yeah, I'll have to go back to this video to see how it was packed. Okay, and looks like we got ourselves an aspirin. So it's kind of a survival kit slash first aid kit. And, here's a match so you can get your fire started. Probably use the cotton here for a fire starter. Okay, that's the one half of the shell. It's probably going to pull apart on me. Kind of want to, it's so cute, I really don't want to damage it. So, anyway, let's lay out all these little pieces. So this was in the one half of the shell. Now the other half, let's see what we got here. I'm not even really sure. I don't know if I've ever opened this up. I was always afraid to because I'd never get it back in. She did such a nice job. I think that's a cloth. And oops. If I'm not in frame, somebody reach out and smack me so I know that it's I keep this thing in frame for y'all. Anyway, this is looks like a little bit of glare on it. That's a little bit of a towel, a little red towel, and a sponge. So to clean yourself up. And here you go. Here's some cordage. So you can build yourself a shelter or whatever else you need. And then, oops, stay put. Here's some gauze for whatever. Okay, and what we got next, here's a candle. And there's a little bit of pipe cleaner. I'm not sure. Guess you could use that for just about anything. And last but not least, let's see what we got here. Come on out of there. Yeah. There we go. Looks like a piece of paper. And maybe it has something written on it. Or is it? Is that? Oh, okay, sure. Oh. Okay, it says 25 cents IOU for phone call. So this obviously was done probably before cell phones really took off. So yeah, this is probably at least 25 years old or more. Back when you had to go to find a pay phone and they were only a quarter. So kind of dates this thing. But yeah, I thought it was darn cool and clever, and quite impressed with it. And I was real happy to get it. And funny thing is, one of those Christmas ones where you get a gift and somebody can steal from you. Well, nobody ever stole it from me, and I was glad of that because, as you can see, quite cool. Got really all the sorts of things you need in a survival kit, and it fit in a nutshell. So there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.